Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Yamaha Stratoliner. This thing is 1900 cc's of big V-twin power, beautiful retro style. I love this bike, gorgeous paint scheme, and I love those lines. Beautiful metallic red, only 20,795 miles. Nearly brand new tires, engine guard, full fairing, locking side cases. Come on by and make your big bore cruiser dreams come true. We're just $54.99. This thing is a lot of bike for the money. It's not a lightweight, so you better be strong. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.